Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a website with Claude. So Claude AI can generate website code, layout ideas, and content in seconds. You just need to guide it properly. So start by giving Claude a clear prompt. For example, create a simple HTML CSS website for a digital marketing agency with a homepage, about section, and contact form. Claude will generate the full code for you. So copy the code Claude gives you and open Notepad or any code editor, paste the code. Then you gotta go ahead and save the file, and you can name the file as index.html. And once you have saved that, you gotta double click the file to open your website in a browser. Now you can go back to Claude and ask to change colors to blue and black, add a pricing section, make it mobile friendly, and update the code and refresh your website, and you'll be able to see the changes being applied. And to put your website online, you can use platforms like GitHub Pages, Netlify, upload your file, and your website will be live. You can also ask Claude to write website content, generate landing pages, improve design, so it works like a full web developer. And that's how you build a website using Claude AI. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.